Bird droppings may look small, but they can cause serious damage to your car's paint if not cleaned properly. Acting fast with the right method stops stains and keeps your car's paint shiny and smooth, even after bird poop marks. Luckily, here are some methods to clean bird poop off car. Wet kitchen paper softens bird poop, making it easy to wipe off quickly without scratching the car. Start by rinsing the area with clean water from a hose to soften the mess. Then take a bowl filled with warm water, soak a kitchen paper in it and place it on the affected area of your car for 5 to 6 minutes. Then remove it and rub the surface with another kitchen paper. Afterward, wash the area with soapy water, rinse thoroughly, and dry it with a microfiber towel. For extra protection, finish by applying a light layer of spray wax or quick detailer to shield the paint. You will get rid of bird poop off car by using this effective method. A clay bar removes stubborn bird poop residue and tiny contaminants, leaving the paint smooth, shiny, and ready for wax or sealant protection. First, wash the area thoroughly, then decontaminate using a clay bar. Dry the area with a microfiber towel. Next, take a bucket, add 1000 and 1500 grit sandpaper, a cap full of foam soap, and some water. Scrub the affected area with the 1000 and 1500 grit sandpaper one by one. Let it dry for 5 minutes, then apply some polish to a drill machine pad and gently rub the surface. This will help prevent further paint damage. By following this process, you will get a clean, smooth, and poop-free surface. WD-40 can help loosen dried bird poop on a car by softening the droppings, making them easier to wipe away without hard scrubbing. Simply spray a small amount directly onto the droppings. Then, gently wipe the area with a clean microfiber cloth, avoiding harsh scrubbing. After removing the mess, wash the spot with soapy water and rinse to remove any WD-40 residue, leaving the surface clean and protected. Adhesive removers help clean bird poop off a car by breaking down the sticky residue and acidic deposits that regular washing may miss. Spray a small amount directly onto the droppings. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes to loosen and break down the mess. Gently wipe the area with a clean microfiber cloth until the poop is removed. Finally, wash the spot with car shampoo and water to remove any leftover residue, then dry with a microfiber towel for a clean finish. It quickly loosens the mess, making it easy to wipe off without scratching the paint. With the right steps, you can keep your car clean, shiny, and protected from bird droppings.